Symbols in Affinity Designer is very useful. You can go into window and you can open the symbols here and then symbols menu. Simply you can create a shape, a heart here, and then change its color, change its stroke if you want. And then you can create a symbol from this and you can access this object vector anywhere in the project that you want. Create. And the interesting part of that is if you delete that, you can access this symbol anywhere that you want. You can insert it in your project. Then you can change its size, change its rotation. And if you go and change one of colors, if you double click, it's as you can see in the layer, we have a symbol. You have to open or double click to change, to access the object. And then you can change this stroke or change the color. It will be change all of the symbols at once. But if you want to create this separately, you can detach it from the symbols simply. As you can see, it's detached from the symbols and it's not symbol again. Or if you want to one of the symbols that you want to change it separately, you can just turn the synchronize off for a moment and change its color, and you can see that all of the symbols are not affected, and then turn on the synchron again, and you can continue your editing with these symbols. You can double click to access the symbols and all other symbols will be changed, and you can use it in your project. That's it. It's very easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.